quick and easy, healthy, delicious cauliflower and broccoli Manchurian recipe for you all, my friend. So once again, welcome to my channel. Here is my cauliflower and broccoli florets. Adding salt in a highly heated boiling water, and then add the florets. Approximately 3 minutes I will boil them. Now strain the water. Next step, we'll make the batter. Here is my all-purpose flour for batter. 1/3 cup. Garlic and paprika powder. Baking powder. Mixing them. Water. Do not put too much water because I need thick batter. There should be no lump. This is the second step. Next, I will prepare the gravy. Now mixing the cauliflower and broccoli with the batter. Follow the way I am doing this. This is going to be a healthy Manchurian because I am going to use very little olive oil. Just 1 tablespoon for medium heat, adding the florets one by one. Fry them both sides. I just want the brown color, so I think 3 minutes is enough. It's medium high heat. Changing the sides. See the color? Beautiful. So I am going to prepare the gravy now. Corn flour. For mixing, definitely we need water. Soy sauce. Because of this soy sauce, I am not going to add any more salt, but I will add sugar. Lemon, very little lemon juice. And mix them quickly. Do not let it to form any lump. I need a smooth mixture of gravy. Next, sriracha hot chili sauce. These will add extra level of flavor. It is spicy as well as sweet too. Now adding sweet chili sauce. So overall it will give us sweet, sour and a spicy taste. See, a smooth gravy and no lump. Frying is done. Now I will add garlic slice and then I will add the gravy. For you all, recipe link is given in my description box and measurement is written there in my blog. Please check. Half teaspoon minced garlic, just softening them. Do not burn the garlic. Immediately I am going to add the gravy. Just 2 minutes. Look, it is very quickly, it changes to a sticky sauce. Now I have to add the cauliflower and broccoli and continuously mix them. And In the meantime, I am preparing rice to eat this cauliflower broccoli Manchurian. I always like to do quick and easy cooking, so this recipe takes only 10 to 12 minutes. So it's time to switch off the stove, but rest it on the stove for 2 to 3 minutes. So my dinner is ready. I can't wait to eat, my friend. Wow, it looks fantastic. Now I'm going to add the sesame seed. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner with my favorite broccoli cauliflower Manchurian with vegetable rice. So please try this at home and let me know. Hope you will not be disappointed. If you guys have any question or comment, write them below. If you enjoyed learning cooking from me, why not hit the subscribe button and press bell button to get notification every time I post a new recipe. Thanks for watching.